What if we relied more and more on artificial intelligence to govern a country? This isn't science fiction. In many parts of the world, AI is already making decisions that used to be made only by governments. There are already places where AI decides if you qualify for government aid, and most people don't even know it. China has over 600 million cameras connected to facial recognition systems that can identify people in seconds. In the UK, predictive crime algorithms are already being used by police to assign patrols to specific zones, and in many countries, AI now plays a role in judicial, financial, and healthcare decisions. Let's look at the facts. In China, the Sharp Eyes system connects public cameras, TVs, and smartphones to monitor citizens 24/7. Officially, its goal is to guarantee safety and maintain social order, but international organizations have criticized it for lack of transparency, errors, invasion of privacy, and potential use to suppress dissent. Supporters claim it helps prevent crime, optimizes resources, and monitors large populations without human intervention. Now, imagine a president who makes every decision based on AI recommendations, a government fully dependent on algorithms. Daily life would look very different. Travel permits get approved based on your digital history. Social media ranks your reliability score. Taxes are calculated in real time using your behavior and location. Fines are issued instantly without police. Access to aid, healthcare, or job opportunities depends on your algorithmic score. Even your entertainment is adjusted to match your emotional profile. Even voting could change. If AI can predict outcomes, it may suggest skipping traditional elections altogether. A few days ago, Timmy applied for government support to start a small business. He had no debt, no criminal record, and a good track record, but he was rejected without explanation. Later, he found out AI had flagged him as lacking long-term financial potential. No human ever read his application. Where does free will go? Who oversees those who program the algorithms? And what if the system is wrong? In China, some platforms already determine who deserves state benefits. If you don't meet certain criteria, you're automatically denied, without any human review. The question is no longer whether AI can govern, it's how much power we're willing to hand over without questioning it. AI itself isn't the enemy. The real issue is how we use it, and how much responsibility we're willing to give up without demanding ethics, oversight, and limits. Subscribe if you're curious about how tech, science, and even your own body are evolving faster than you think. And if you want to see what other strange situations Timmy might end up in, stick around. This is just the beginning.